Hello, it's Dr. Rhonda Johnson, and today is Saturday, December 3rd, 2022. Today I'm talking about COVID vaccine booster shot efficacy. Now, I'm going to be reporting on a research study posted online by the CDC in their November 22nd weekly morbidity, mortality weekly report publication. Now, at the time, recall when they CDC and FDA approved and recommended these bivalent booster shots in September, there was no clinical efficacy data that was available from clinical trials. Only the clinical trial that looked at the bivalent vaccines composed of ancestral and Omicron BA.1 strains. So the CDC scientists did this study. The time frame of the study went from September 14th to November 11th, 2022. Now, I will not go into the study design or how they calculated the relative vaccine effectiveness. It's very complicated. If you want to know, please go to the MMWR article yourself for all the details, and know that I'm oversimplifying a very complicated research study. But back to the results. What were they? Well, the researchers basically showed that these bivalent boosters provided significant additional protection against symptomatic SARS-CoV-2 infection and people who had previously received 2, 3, or 4 of the monovalent vaccine doses. Now, the relative vaccine effectiveness for the bivalent booster dose was strongest among people aged 18 to 49 years and weakest in people 65 and up. Now, the CDC says that this is the first published estimate of vaccine effectiveness for these newly authorized bivalent messenger RNA booster vaccines using real-world data. And they say that this supports their current vaccination policy recommending a bivalent booster dose for adults who have completed a primary messenger RNA vaccination series. Now, recall that the CDC has already recommended that all people should stay up to date with those recommended COVID-19 vaccines, including bivalent booster doses, if it's been more than 2 months or more since your last vaccine dose. That's a lot. I know you may have to listen to this twice, but basically it shows that the vaccines are effective. So be well, take care, and see you next time.